Yo, little Miss Callie, I'm outside your old work again, hotboxing it. You know how much money I have right now? Oh, all I see is signs. That's it, baby. That's it. I ain't banking nothing either. This guy right here has been my best friend for 35 years. This exact man. Alright. I already did like 6 videos today. My baby girl has all kinds of stuff all over the side of her face because she keeps trying to get to the dog next door through our wood fence. Honey Bill, stick out my money, drum shit. How you haters feel? And close the deal. So, Callie, no, in your old parking lot. Friday again, baby. Hope you're doing good. Oh, all I see is signs. All I see is dollar signs. Look, I'll show you baby girlie. Whole side of her face there. We're gonna be doing some trailer park. We're gonna be doing some trailer park smoking next tonight. That's how I roll. Alright, my camera's messing up. That's how we fall out. Oh yeah, smoke it up. Know what I'm saying? Now, this song, still I need glasses, as you see.
Ain't that wrong?
I don't want to give you the wrong impression. I need love and affection.
And I hope I'm not sounding too desperate.
I need love and affection. Whoa, love. Alright, I gotta get out of the parking lot, man. Love, L-O-V, and affection. I'm not asking for the world, baby. You can give me what I want, baby. Come home tired and when I'm trying to save me. Give it to me on the daily. If I'm your girl, say my name, boy, let me know I'm in control. Baby girl wants a hot dog, man. This is her life. Right? I need you now. I know she loves me.
Give you the wrong impression.
I need love and affection.
And I hope I'm not sounding
Alright, there's people around me all the time. I love people, but I love being alone too. I hate to say it. Alright, Callie, I'm out of here. I gotta go get my soda for the Friday day. L-O-V and affection. Alright, maybe not. This is a good song. Fuck around. I want you now. Oh,
I don't wanna
give you the wrong impression. I need love and affection.
And I hope I'm not sounding too desperate.
Alright, later.
I need love and
Happy Friday. Peace.